send out catalog messages from Interakt, you need to make sure that you have added the country of origin field to all your products in your Facebook catalog. If you have created your Facebook catalog via Google Sheets, to add the country of origin, you simply need to add the origin_country column in the sheet you are uploading. You can find more details in the video, which you can see by clicking on Google Sheets here. If you have created your catalog using Shopify, you need to add country of origin to your products by adding some data feed rules. Now, in order to do that, go to data sources, then go to the Shopify dynamic Facebook ads product feed that you would see here. After that, click on settings, then click on add rule, then click on set default values. Here, select origin_country, default value, write IN, click on create, and then click on apply rules. Then click on apply now. What this will ensure is that all products in your catalog will have the country of origin as IN. Now obviously this would be applicable only if all products in your catalog are from India. However, if suppose all your products are imported from another country, you need to add the following 4 fields. Origin_country is equal to US or the country code for the country from which the products have been imported. Then provide an importer_name. Followed by importer_address. And a manufacturer_info. Next, click on apply rules here. After having added the data feed rule, you still need to ensure that all your Facebook catalog products get updated at least once so that the data feed rule comes into play and the country of origin is added to the products. In case you have synced your Shopify products to Facebook using a third-party app, you would generally see a setting by which you can ensure that all your Shopify products keep syncing to Facebook every few hours. However, if you use the Facebook sales channel to sync Shopify products to Facebook, your products get updated on Facebook only if something is updated in the products on Shopify. To ensure that something gets updated in your products on Shopify, you can try this out. Simply go to products here and select all products. Here we will add the field inventory quantity. Select the cells under this column for all products by pressing on Shift and the down arrow. Then click on a cell and increase the quantity by 1 or 2 for all the products. And then click on Save. As soon as you do this, in few minutes, all your Shopify products should start getting updated on Facebook like this. And when this update is happening for all the products, the country of origin will also get added for all the products. Later, you can simply change the inventory quantity again to its old value by subtracting 1 or 2 from the old quantity. Once you have done this, don't forget to add collections to your Facebook catalog. To see how, check out this video here. Also remember to carry out the 2 steps here. Add us as partner in your Facebook catalog, connect it to your WhatsApp account, and provide your catalog ID here.